Looking to create the ultimate outdoor living space that stands up to any weather? You're in exactly the right place. Today, we're revealing the 5 absolute best hardtop aluminum gazebos and pergolas that deliver year-round protection, stunning style, and serious durability. These picks have earned outstanding reviews from real homeowners and will transform your backyard into a premium retreat. Check out the links in the description box below. So let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the MegaChoice heavy-duty wall-mounted hardtop gazebo. And honestly, this thing is engineered like a fortress. You're getting UPF 50+ protection with advanced heat reduction technology that drops temperatures by up to 80%. Yeah, you heard that right. 80%! The sloped polycarbonate roof features deep tinted coating that blocks 99% of UV rays while maintaining 92% light transmittance. You get bright, comfortable ambiance without that harsh, brutal heat. The waterproof performance is tested extensively, with integrated drainage that handles even heavy downpours like a champ. What's truly impressive is the extreme weather resistance. This structure is engineered to handle 7 inches of snow accumulation and withstand winds up to 70 miles per hour. That's serious durability for homeowners in challenging climates who need year-round reliability. No questions asked. Here's the reality check, though. At 168 square feet, the installation footprint is substantial. You'll need adequate wall space and proper foundation support. The assembly also requires 2 to 4 people and careful attention to the mounting instructions for optimal stability and safety. The investment pays off big time, folks. You're creating a 4-season outdoor room that accommodates 14 to 16 guests comfortably. For entertaining, family gatherings, or simply enjoying protected outdoor living space regardless of weather conditions, this delivers exceptional long-term value that you'll appreciate for years. At number 4, the Kozyard Alexander has earned legendary status in the hardtop gazebo world. And let me tell you, the reputation is absolutely deserved. You're getting a galvanized steel double roof that provides superior stability and outstanding ventilation throughout. The snow load capacity is mind-blowing at 2,500 pounds. That's not a typo, guys. This thing handles serious winter weather without breaking a sweat. The wind resistance up to 40 miles per hour when properly anchored means you can trust it through storms and rough conditions. What really caught attention during real-world testing is the premium curtain and netting system. The PVC-coated curtains are thick, durable, and actually block wind while providing genuine privacy. The water gutter system efficiently manages rainwater, keeping your interior space completely dry, even during those crazy downpours. Here's what you need to know, though. The assembly process is more involved than some competitors. You're looking at a full-day installation with 2 to 3 people minimum. The instructions require patience and attention to detail, but the end result? Absolutely worth every minute of effort. The durability is exceptional, folks. Forum discussions consistently mention this gazebo lasting 5+ years with minimal maintenance. You're paying slightly more upfront, okay, but getting a permanent outdoor structure that maintains its aesthetic appeal and structural integrity season after season. That's real value. Sliding into number 3 is this Idealhouse wall-mounted hardtop gazebo, and honestly, this space-saving design is a total game changer for anyone working with limited yard space. You're getting a massive 240 square feet of coverage without eating up your precious backyard real estate. The 6mm polycarbonate hardtop panels are seriously impressive. They block over 99% of harmful UV rays while still letting natural light filter through. The pitched, wavy panel design with integrated grooves means rainwater drains fast. No pooling, no leaks, just a consistently dry space underneath. What really stands out is the wind resistance. This bad boy handles winds up to 60 miles per hour and supports snow loads of 55 pounds per square meter. The triangular metal structure with cross-support beams gives you rock-solid stability when you mount it properly to your wall. Here's what you gotta know, though. Because this is wall-mounted, you're pretty much committed to one location. If you like switching up your outdoor setup or think you might move in a few years, this permanent installation could feel kind of limiting. You'll need a solid wall or structure to anchor it against. The value here is outstanding for what you get. You're basically creating an entire outdoor room extension for a fraction of what a traditional patio cover runs. Perfect for turning your deck or patio entrance into a protected, entertaining space. For homeowners maxing out every square foot, this is absolutely worth checking out. At number 2, the purple leaf louvered pergola brings premium features at a surprisingly accessible price point. This is where adjustable comfort meets serious structural engineering. And man, the combination is absolutely stellar. The dual independent adjustable roofs are the real star feature here. 2 separately controlled sections with 0 to 90-degree rotation mean you can customize exactly how much sun or shade you want. One section open for stargazing, the other closed for rain protection. It's incredibly versatile, right? The structural upgrades are significant. You're getting 1.5 millimeter thick powder-coated aluminum with upgraded crossbeams, measuring 4.33 by 4.33 inches. This thing is rated for winds up to 72 miles per hour, which is higher than most competitors in this whole category. Here's the honest truth, though. The crank mechanism, while super durable, is manual operation. If you're constantly adjusting the louvers throughout the day, that hand cranking can feel like a bit of a workout. Some users wish there was a motorized option, though that would obviously jack up the price significantly. The quality to value ratio here is remarkable. You're getting 165 square feet of premium outdoor living space with professional grade materials and a 1-year frame warranty. The white finish gives a modern, clean aesthetic that complements virtually any home exterior. For buyers wanting adjustability without compromising on durability, this checks every single box. And taking the number 1 spot, the Mellcom louvered pergola absolutely dominates with features that redefine outdoor living. You're getting a massive 200 square feet of coverage with 4 independently controlled louvered roof sections. This is next level stuff, folks. The adjustable louver system uses a premium crank mechanism allowing 0 to 90-degree rotation. The powder-coated aluminum louvers reflect harsh sunlight, genuinely reducing under-roof temperatures and keeping you comfortable. Rain or shine, you have complete environmental control with just a turn of the handle. It's that simple. The integrated drainage system, engineering excellence at its finest. Rainwater flows from louvers into hidden gutter channels, travels through the posts, and exits at ground level. No dripping, no pooling, just seamless water management that keeps everything underneath bone dry. Guaranteed. Here's the honest truth, though. The 10 by 20 footprint and multiple louvered sections mean assembly takes longer than simpler models. Budget 4 to 6 hours with 3 to 4 people minimum. The complexity delivers serious functionality, but it requires commitment during installation, so plan accordingly. But the value proposition? Absolutely unbeatable, my friends. You're getting commercial quality construction rated for 70 miles per hour winds, modern streamlined design that transforms any space, and versatility that serves as dining area, relaxation zone, or entertainment venue. This is the ultimate outdoor upgrade, hands down. Those are the 5 best hardtop aluminum gazebos and pergolas you can grab on Amazon right now. Each brings something unique to the table, so choose based on your space, climate, and entertaining needs. Links are waiting in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy outdoor living.